The president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H Pala, faced a significant defeat in the recent Lok Sabha elections, losing to VPP candidate Dr. A J Syngkon by over 3 lakh votes. After the results were announced on the 4th of June 2024, Pala attributed his loss to the recent departure of several party leaders and workers. Despite the setback, he expressed his gratitude to the people of Meghalaya, particularly Congress supporters. He highlighted the historic victory of party candidate Saleng A Sangma in the Garo Hills, who triumphed over incumbent MP Agatha Sangma, daughter of the late political leader Purno A Sangma.
This election being fought in lots of problems. Number one, the resources and support from the ICC which we are supposed to get. So this time we don't get. Number two is that the whips, normally last time the whips for the Congress also like this, I got 53%. And this time they get 55%. So I think I appreciate the voters of Meghalaya. Whatever they vote with no clear mandate. So I respect the mandate of the people, and also I appreciate the wisdom of the people. So as an MP, I've seen that if somebody gets a clear mandate, he'll have the enthusiasm to work. So I hope that in the future also, I already talked to the candidate, I mean to be an MP, Ricky. I already wished him. So I hope that he will work, and I'm ready. So I told him ready to assist whenever I need in Delhi, since I was there for the last 15 years. So whatever required, we'll ready to assist. That he was in Delhi for quite long, so he knows Delhi well. So I thought that we'll coordinate. But whatever happen, I think it happens for a good reason. The people of Meghalaya has given me 15 years, so I'm very grateful to the people, and I'm sure that the mandate which they've given is not only a lesson to me, lesson to everyone. It's not only they've given, I've got lots of exposure in Delhi, I've got experience in Delhi. So I'm quite happy actually. I don't have any worry. Rather, I expected the result this time because the government has targeted our people. You know, the MLAs have been taken away, MDCs have been taken away, so have been targeted by the government. So when I went to the grassroots campaign and the grassroots, because of the LE election, by-elections, we don't have enough time to organize and promote young people. Whereas in Garo Hills, we did so, somehow we managed. So I'm grateful to people of Garo Hills also at the same time. So we lost one and we got one. To me, I think this is more important, because now if we organize the party in Garo Hills, at least now the people of Meghalaya can say that, oh, in Garo Hills also Congress is there, in Khasi Jaintia definitely we have 4 MLAs will organize. So I think more or less as expected, and I also as a president I have to take a call whether I have to make myself win with the limited resources, or we have to support Garo Hills. But I find through the analysis that is easier for me to support Garo Hills. At the same time, there will be a balance for the Congress in Garo Hills especially, and here. So I'm not very upset personally. Of course, my voters may be upset, but I'm not very upset personally, because I think whatever God has done is done for good reasons. I think now everybody left. I think Manuel is the best example of all. And I'm very confident that the mandate for the MP is normally not the same for the MLA, it's not the same for MDC. So now for another 4 years, 4.5 maybe, because the delimitation will be there, we'll reposition ourselves. Definitely they left the party, but now we'll have enough time to groom. I'm very confident in 28 we should come with a good numbers of MLAs, because we'll be strong in Garo Hills also, and we'll reposition ourselves here also.